Amaphoyisa aseGauteng asebophe abasolwa abangaphezu kwa-150 ngamacala abhekiswe kubantu besifazane kanye nezingane ngenkathi kuqhubeka umkhankaso we-Operation Shanela ngempelasonto. Lo mkhankaso uqhutshelwe kuzifunda ezehlukene kulesi sifundazwe ngokubambisana nezinhlaka zomphakathi ezisebenzisana namaphoyisa, abaqaphi bomphakathi kanye nonogada abazimele. Abanye-ke balabo abakhalelwe ngamasongo kasigonyela baboshelwe amacala ahlobene nokuba kuleli ngokungemthetho kanye nezidakamizwa. Kanti-ke amaphoyisa athi-ke laba basolwa kulindeleke ukuthi bevele ezinkantolo ezihlukene emaduze.
More than 150 suspects arrested for crimes against women and children during Shanela Operation 2. Gauteng police have arrested over 150 suspects for crimes against women and children during Operation Shanela 2 over the weekend. Several other suspects were also arrested for being undocumented, others for possession of drugs and many other criminal activities. One vehicle, a VW Polo, was impounded for being tampered with in Tshwane district. Gauteng detectives who worked overnight also arrested more than 600 suspects for crimes such as murder, armed robbery, rape, and other crimes. All the suspects will appear in different courts soon. These successes were achieved during Operation Shanela 2 in the 5 districts in Gauteng province. Several milliliters of alcohol were also confiscated when various taverns were visited and found to be non-compliant. Meanwhile, 122 drivers were arrested for drunken driving during the operation that took place on Saturday night. The operation is conducted in various districts with the collaboration between the police, community police forums, community patrollers, and private security. Frequently, the operations get the support from community leaders such as the MMCs for public safety in the different municipalities, ward councillors, faith-based leaders, and indunas. Operation Shanela is aimed at stamping the authority of the state and also to assist the local police station reduce crime levels within their policing precinct.